Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we will specifically talk about the problem that every new YouTuber or even the old YouTubers who are already ranked and got success on YouTube are still struggling with this issue that how to boost their every single new video. There are some tips and tricks that always work for everybody, no matter what your niche is, no matter how old your channel is or how new your channel is, how experienced you are or inexperienced you are, you can use these techniques in order to boost your video and got ranked in search terms. The things which play a vital role in this regard: first, you have to optimize your video, and video optimization means you have to do SEO. Later on, I will in detail I will discuss SEO in my separate dedicated video, and soon I'll share it with you guys. But for now on, in this video, we are just focusing on the main points that you must use relevant keywords and strong keywords. Keywords are the search terms. Basically, these are the words or phrases used by a viewer who is looking to watch his or her favorite content on YouTube. These are the keywords. You must type your keywords and you can do research. I will share you researching techniques, how you can find out the perfect keywords which people are using around the world on YouTube to search their desired content. So you have to use those keywords in your title, description, and tags. Description, title, and description is the basic metadata which enables YouTube by providing sufficient information about your content of the video so that YouTube gets able to share it with the right audience. You must make attractive and compelling thumbnails that entice viewers to click. But you must not make fake thumbnails, as this technique doesn't work anymore. If someone by mistake or getting enticed by your thumbnail clicks on your thumbnail and in your video they do not find the material or the content which they are looking for, then they will never come back. It will be a negative impact on your audience and you will fail to make a loyal audience. You must also engage your audience. You can engage your audience by encouraging them to like, comment, and share your video, and you can respond to their comments to foster a sense of community and engagement with your audience. You can also share your video on various social platforms to reach a wider audience. Consider using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter and Facebook to promote your video. You can also collaborate with other creators in your niche, and you can make informative or entertaining videos with them to reach new viewers, and you can also tap into their audience as well. Now there is another option for new YouTubers or even the older ones, that you can run your YouTube ads to promote your channel. Another key point is consistency. You must be consistent enough to promote your channel visibility in YouTube's algorithm. You can also take advantage of YouTube features like playlist, end screens, cards, iCards to keep viewers engaged and encourage them to watch more on your account, to watch more videos on your channel. You must monitor your video analytics to keep an eye on your videos performance. I'll be making soon a special dedicated video on this topic as well. At the end of this video, I just want to add one more thing, that you must create quality content. Don't compromise on your content. If your content is high quality, engaging, and resonates with your target audience, nothing can refrain you from success. So I wish you all the very best, and you can comment me in the comment section if you have any queries or some experiences to share with me. See ya.